Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is the alcohol fuel stove. The one to the left of screen, it comes with the stand that it was purchased with. So what we'll do is we'll flash it up and give you a good view of the pattern or flame burn on this. It's very hard to see during the day with alcohol. You can light this with a fire steel. So I'll try that. Mrs. Dragon's on the camera at the moment.
She's about to run away.
Okay. Now what will happen is, and I'll explain it further in daylight, is that that's got to warm up a bit, warm the whole container up, and as it warms up you'll see that the flame burn and the pattern gets a lot better. Just starting to warm up now. Now from my point of sight here, I can see that the vapor jets are starting to ignite because the fuel's starting to heat up. It's pretty cold out here tonight, so that's another factor you've got to take into consideration too, is ambient air temperatures. Okay, I don't know if you can see it there, folks, but all the jets, the vapor jets, are burning. You see she's starting to stand up a bit. This is the one we used the other night during the blackout that Dragon's Wife posted about. Okay, this is a billy of water. Got about a cup of water in it. The water temperature is quite cold. Now I won't do the full burn on this to get it boiling, but just to give you an idea of what happens to the flame when you put it on this.
Newsflash, you can't see a thing.
Okay. Still burning. See the flame standing right up there? It's heating up quite nicely. Now what we've got is the snuffer. And what it has on it is a little flap that you can open up. Put that on top. It does reduce the flame a little bit, so you've virtually got two temperature settings there. First time was full throttle. The snuffer, you open up the flap on it, and it lowers the heat and fuel consumption if you don't need that a lot of heat. You can see the difference there. Alright, snuff it out, just close the flap. When you're finished with it, and just drop this over the top, puts the flame out. That's a fuel saver. Okay, the second one, I put inside a Vargo wood burner. Now, I'll do a review on the wood burner later, but it's interesting to note, because of the shape of this, and we'll see it better in daylight, just how well it'll concentrate the heat. Just bear with me. Okay. Again, as the container heats up the alcohol fuel, causing more vapour, and the vapour jets are starting to light up now too. The point with this one is that the shape of the Vargo wood burner or wood stove is funnel shaped towards the top being the narrowest point, so that would concentrate more heat onto the bottom of your billy. It also acts as a good wind guard. This it's another use for it. So it's a much better wind guard than the original plate that this alcohol burner comes with, but we'll go through that during daylight hours. So you can see that's got quite a good burn on it. And the heat's more concentrated onto the bottom of the billy. So you're not losing too much heat sideways. So that's got to be a fuel saver in itself. See some of the flame starting to come up the side of the billy there now. This is an aluminium billy, by the way. I'll talk more about that later. So that's the burn. Pretty good. So I'll just put the snuffer on that, and we'll cover the rest of this topic in daylight hours. Okay, see you later.